Welcome to the Giant Mystery Egg Challenge.
What's inside? Let's see. Open
Look
the
at that
egg.
giant
1, 2, 3.
rainbow slide.
Red and blue, green and yellow, pink surprise.
Wow!
Hello.
5 giant mystery eggs.
Big
Which egg
mystery
should we
eggs
open first?
sliding down all around the rainbow too.
Let's climb up and find out. The red egg looks special. It's moving! Here comes the red egg.
What's inside? Let's see. Open the egg. 1, 2, 3. Red and blue.
Splash!
Green and yellow. Pink surprise. Big mystery egg.
What's inside the red egg?
Sliding down all around the rainbow too.
Ow! Ow! It's a giant red race car. Red race car. Vroom, vroom. Red, red. Red. Now the blue egg is moving.
What's inside? Let's see. Open the egg. 1, 2, 3. Red and blue.
Here comes the blue egg.
Green and yellow. Pink surprise.
Cute puppy.
Hello. Hello. Big mystery eggs sliding down all around.
Look how fast he runs.
rainbow too.
Yeah. What a playful puppy. Blue, 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 blue.
Here comes the giant green egg.
What's inside? Let's see. Open the egg. 1, 2, 3. Red and blue.
Oh,
green
wow.
and yellow.
The green egg is
Pink
waking up.
surprise. Hello. Hello. Big mystery eggs sliding down.
Wow,
all
a friendly
around
dinosaur.
the
Let's dance with the dinosaur. It's a giant teddy bear. Ow. Big teddy hugs.
What's inside?
Yummy.
Let's see.
Yummy.
Open the egg. 1, 2,
Giant
3.
ice cream. Delicious strawberry ice cream.
Green and yellow, pink surprise. Hello, hello. Big mystery eggs sliding down all
Wait,
around the
what's that?
rainbow too.
The biggest mystery egg ever. Oh, wow. What do you think is inside the golden egg?